What's up, everybody? We're back again. We're gonna start by preheating the oven to 350 and getting a half a cup of peanut butter in a big old bowl. We're gonna mix that with 1 cup of brown sugar as well. Try and get a good amount of that peanut butter out of that half a cup too. Don't be like me and just fling it or slam it on the bottom of the bowl. Then we're bringing out 2 spoons this time. Try to get the little bit of peanut butter off the spoon instead of washing it off. We don't waste things around here. Feel me? We're gonna bring out the old handy dandy mixer that I barely ever use, as you can see right there as I drop the fucking spinners in the bowl like a genius. Yeah, we're gonna mix the brown sugar and the peanut butter up in that bowl. I know you guys are probably like, oh, what do you mean don't use a mixer? What about mashed potatoes and other shit? Yeah, no, we have a potato ricer for the mashed potatoes. We're going in with what is that? 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's some good shit. Smells good, makes stuff taste good. And 1 egg. Try your hardest not to get shells in there. And if you do, fuck it. There ain't nothing wrong with a little bit of crunch in your munch. You feel me? It'll be okay. Ain't nothing. Nobody's gonna get hurt over it. Sure, at restaurants or something, there's a lot worse shit in there. Alright, enough. We're going in with about 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of cornstarch, and a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt or regular salt. I don't know what the hell the difference is between kosher or regular salt. Is it blessed or something? I don't know. Up here, you want to have room temperature butter, or you're gonna get results like this where it's just chunky everywhere. So we just edited that part out, and now you have this right here. It looks okay, you know. It looked a lot worse than what that looks like. But yeah, that was a whole stick of butter. You want to mix that until well combined, and then we're doing the 2-spoon method. You know, 1 spoon to scoop it out, another spoon to put it on the pan, the greased pan, should say. And then when you're done getting all that on the pan, you want to use one of the spoons to, you know, spread it a little bit, like right in the middle. And you're about to see why we do that in a second. This is where the marshmallows come in. You want to grab the marshmallows and stick them like right in the indents that you have made. The reason why our marshmallows look a little funky is because they have chocolate and graham cracker dusting on it, which added way more flavor than I expected. We're gonna stick them in there, like I said, 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. And yeah, this is 15 minutes later. Pull them out, and yeah, everything turned out good. The house didn't burn down, and the cookies didn't burn, and the marshmallows look all right. I appreciate you guys watching again. Usually don't bake unless if I bake my mind. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again. See ya.